This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Move-in ready, super clean, modern and on-trend finishes throughout this charming pool home. Fantastic kitchen and laundry room, shows big, has lovely cabinets with an abundance of storage, wall oven, flat cooktop, huge island, upgraded appliances, quartz countertops and built-in cubby space. Many upgrades throughout, such as sprayed insulation in the attic, impact glass windows, closet organizers, fenced-in backyard, attractive ceiling fans and light fixtures. This 3-bedroom plus den/office, big pool, huge yard property is located in a desirable area and a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.